Good morning, boys and girls. This is the job for today. I made two divan beds 45 years ago. I'm now dismantling one, and I've used all the materials on another project. Many thanks to all my subscribers and everybody that gives me the like. So, on with the job. The other one I've reupholstered. Too heavy. And I'm going to dismantle it and use the wood and springs on another project. Shame, but after 45 years, it's solid. That's probably one of the problems. It was all made of second-hand wood that I got from the ICI when they were building a plant down there 40 years ago, 50 years ago. In fact, you can still see some of the cement on the shuttering. I cut it all up, cleaned it, and it's all made out of scrap wood. That was part of the packing cases. Took off the Queen Anne legs. Here's what I took off earlier. Now I'm going to take off the tailboard. And there it is. Bit dirty, but it was made of a piece of plywood and red velvet. Although it don't look like velvet, but if it was cleaned up, it wouldn't look too bad actually. And that's black buttons, which was matched the headboard. After I reupholstered it, that's the headboard. Tailboard's down there somewhere. No, I didn't put it back on, did I? I just put a piece of cover over it. No. Just taking out the black studs. Oh, it broke. Have to watch I don't cut myself on that one. Into its component parts and reuse everything. This is the old-fashioned way, look, tacks. I tied it to the rail so that it don't fall on me when I'm working on it. When taking out tacks, go to one side and just go underneath. And they come out quite easy. The reason they come out easy is because they're in a wedge shape. So as soon as you ease it just a little bit, it comes loose. And the reason why that's rusty is because we used to put all these tacks in our mouth. And I've taken all the tacks out down each side and most of them out the end, but I leave them in the end, and I've got all the screws out as well, what I could. So I'm now going to tip it on its side. It's on its side onto the front, and I'll take the cover off. And then the foam, well, not foam, shit. I've taken all the tacks out, all down each side, off the ticking, the canvas, both sides. And I've took out as many screws as I can. It will be in the way. There's all the tacks up. I left the ones on the end so they don't fall apart. So I'm just going to turn it on its back now and roll back the cover and take off the felt. And then I should remove the springs and then the wood. Grieves me a little bit to destroy it all. Well, not destroy it, but taking it apart after 45 years. I'm just going to roll up the felt and flock. That's flock. And that's the white is the felt. Flock is old clothes, shredded, and that's what they used to use. And it was called a flock mill, and there was one down in Frenchay that the company I worked for used to own. Charles Newth and Sons, Woodland Way. I've nearly dismantled it all. I've got all the canvas off, nearly off. Just got to go around there. I've got to take out each individual tack. Just in, you know, if I lose one on the floor, I'm going to be stepping on it in the middle of the night. So nearly there. And then what I got to do then is unscrew out all the wood. That's easy. That's the easy part. Everything's been released. Well, not everything, but this is what goes around the edge, so that the sharp edges of the wood don't cut through the cover. This is the canvas. I've release the ends down there. Look. Where's the knife? And then pull them out. Well, that's all the springs taken out. And I'm leaving them on there because I've reused them later on. I've removed all the nails and everything from the frame. It's just a matter of unscrewing it now. I'll take the corner brackets out first. Now, because I need two hands, because there's a slotted screw head. They don't come out very easy, not with one hand on the air drill, which is a very good drill, mine. Well, it's an impact wrench actually. Just going to take the bottom rail out now, I think. Need two hands, I'll have to put this. Ah, I got it. I'm just going to take off the corner pieces now. And then it'll be done. So if I can do it one-handed. I made it to last. It wasn't going to break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. All done. There's all the component bits. I put that down my workshop and make use of that on my next job.